Danger, I'm full of anger. It's getting stranger. I'm full of so much rage and fucking anger. When I'm seeing red, best believe it's fucking danger. Might strangle your ass with a motherfucking hanger. Come through your motherfucking window, kill you nice and slow. Put that cold steel blade up against your motherfucking throat. Bitch, you know you gotta fucking go. Tryna see your motherfucking blood on the fucking floor. Kill your ass cause you's a motherfucking dirty whore. I don't wanna see your face no more. Danger, I'm full of anger. It's getting stranger. Tired of you running your motherfucking mouth. Don't even know what the fuck you talking about. Yeah, what I gotta do to get that motherfucking clout. Wanna make you scream and shout. Wanna see you fucking die and pout on the motherfucking ground. Won't hear a motherfucking sound. Nothing but a motherfucking bloody murder scream. Yeah, that's my motherfucking dream, not a motherfucking nightmare. Got you full of fucking fear. Shoot you like a motherfucking deer on a motherfucking hunt. Killing you is all I really want. Roll you up, smoke you like a motherfucking blunt. Cut off your head, sleep with it next to me in my fucking bed. Yeah, I'm seeing red and I'm full of fucking anger and I'm full of fucking danger. Best run for your motherfucking life. Take it with a fucking knife. Fuck a motherfucking gun. Tryna have some motherfucking fun. I ain't fucking done, I ain't fucking new to this. I'm a fucking sick, evil, twisted, wicked witch. Yeah, I fucking do this motherfucking shit. What the fuck you gonna do? Rose Gotti coming through, yeah. Danger, it's getting stranger. I'm full of anger. Yeah, I'm full with so much anger, so much full of rage. Lock me in a fucking cage, throw away the fucking key. Never fit into society, fuck sobriety. Yeah, I'm fucking smoking on that motherfucking green. Yeah, I'm kinda mean, cause I got that bipolar. World is getting colder, ass is heavy, getting on my fucking shoulders. I don't really give no fucks about a fucking club. Fucking chicken, go ahead, come up fucking missing. End up in a fucking ditch, talking all that shit, bitch. You don't know you got the motherfucking wrong one. I'm tryna have some motherfucking fun. Wanna take a knife, stab it through your windpipe. Take your fucking life, go ahead and roll the dice. If you think I'm something nice, I ain't nothing to be played with. You's a stupid bitch. Go ahead, keep running at the motherfucking lips. I run these motherfucking streets, ain't shit sweet. Kill you in the motherfucking church, bitch. You could get the fuck hurt. Go ahead and pray to your God. He ain't even there. He don't even fucking care. He can't fucking hear you. He can't fucking see you. Wouldn't wanna be you. Danger, it's getting stranger. I'm full of anger. Your life is coming to a motherfucking end. I don't got no fucking friends. Yeah, I stand by myself to the motherfucking end. Yeah, let's try it again. Nah, fuck that motherfucking shit. Use a motherfucking dead bitch. Yeah, a real motherfucking stupid trick. Go ahead, I'ma slice off your fucking dick. If you a fucking dude, you can fucking get it too. I ain't fucking scared of you. Yeah, bitch, I'm coming through. Yeah, I got that motherfucking money in my motherfucking sock. Cause I'm selling motherfucking rock on your motherfucking block. Yeah, I smoke that green and I'll never fucking stop. Yeah, I'm climbing to the moon, then I'm going to the top. Yeah, I'm never coming down. There you fucking hear that sound. Yeah, it's fucking silent, cause I'm full of fucking violence. Yeah, I wanna fucking take your life, put it to a motherfucking end. Cause I have no fucking friends. I stand on my own 2 feet. Yeah, nothing fucking sweet. Kill you in the fucking church. Watch you as you fucking lurk. Pray to your God, he ain't even fucking there. Ask him if he cares, he don't even fucking hear you. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna fucking be you. Rose Gotti 2016. Whatever. Freestyle, bitch.